Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, June 12th, 2012. The market opened up this morning at 1305.25, right in the middle of our range, our opening range. I want you to notice, as the market opened up, when we're within this opening range, it really tends to be choppy. And I'm going to shift to a different screen here very shortly. I just wanted you to see how we really didn't take many trades today, not until the later part of the day. We had a nice little breakout of our range, nice hook pattern, did not complete, so it's kind of a fake out breakout. Worked our way to the opposite end of the range, another hook pattern. Didn't really fall within our rules because we have a limitation as to how many candles this can strike before continuation. But I want you to see as we went into the close, look at how that hook pattern materialized right to the last part of the day. So now let's go to a lower time frame chart, and you'll notice that from the opening price at around 9:30 at 1305.25, we generally do not trade from 9:30 to 9:45. However, if we had a setup in the direction of our gap fill, which was down here at 1302.5, we will take the trade. And in this case we did. Total of target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 7 ticks. Coming out of the no trade zone, like I showed you in the previous screens, we did a lot of sideways motion in the middle of that opening range. There really wasn't any major news reports, and here's that head fake where they tried to work their way outside of the opening range and then did not materialize. So we really didn't have any trades this morning. We didn't have any indications inside that were giving us confirmation for a downside continuation, and then price action came right back into the opening range again. So with that, we really did a lot of sitting on our hands today, and then coming out of the opening range, another opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 7 ticks. Sometimes people ask me, don't you get out too early? Well, we scale out, and some of the traders, or more advanced traders, they hold on a little longer because we do have upside target potentials such as the hourly range and the Globex range highs that we show in the Shark Den. Another pullback here, another opportunity to get in target 1, target 2 for a total of 8 ticks. Now, could you have held this trade on longer for a higher potential? Sure. But in this case, a more conservative trader ended up paying twice the amount for commissions. Not a big deal. Going into the no trade zone, this is for lunchtime, from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, we had a nice pullback to the moving average, take off. Now here we had a double top. This posed a little bit of resistance. We weren't 100% sure what was holding us down, so we scaled out. Target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ticks. Some people did not quite make it up for a total of 13.12 and a quarter, and scaled out at 13.10. They would have only made 9 ticks on this particular trade. Notice the sideways consolidation. Again, there was no confirmation, there was no news, nothing was moving this market. Continued to move on little or on lower volume. Had a nice clean pullback. An opportunity, we have what's called a trendline wave trade. Target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 10 ticks, and then again, if you wanted to hold on a little longer up into the 13.14 level, you could have made it onwards of 18 ticks. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret here. How do we know whether to hold on beyond the 10 ticks or the static targets? Got a nice clean ADX setting here, and what we do is, as this ADX stays in between the directional indicators, nice clean opportunity for a continuation. And what you'll notice is this section right in through here, this section, this blue section I just colored, is an opportunity for you to stay on that trade until you get across to the other side of the directional indicator on the ADX. Nice clean way to hold on to a trade a little longer. And here we did have a nice clean setup. Look at our wave trade indicator. Gave us a nice setup to the downside. When you're going counter trend, be grateful for getting 2 ticks or 4 ticks or 6 ticks, whatever you're trying. In this particular case, got a six ticks. I did not take this trade, but it was a nice clean setup. Going into the close, again, we had another opportunity to get long. Each one of these pullbacks were met with buying opportunities. There wasn't a whole lot of volume at this time. In the meantime, we saw a push up into the close, up there around the 13.17 level, the Globex range high. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of your TraderShark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.